Okay, what's going on YouTube? Right now, this is that nigga, the chef. That nigga, say what's up.
What's up, niggas? You don't know, that nigga the main.
This is that nigga Carl.
What it do?
Tell him what you finna do, man.
We about to do some random white people stuff.
We're about to do stuff that you see Steve-O and them other non-colored people do.
I'm gonna hold this right here, right there, and I'm gonna let this, my partner in crime, shoot it up my mouth.
Okay, wait.
Now, if it go down right, he gonna shoot it out my mouth. If it don't, nigga, don't post this.
Nigga, if it don't, I'm posting it tonight.
Stand behind me.
I want y'all to see what this gun did to this can. I want y'all to see what the gun did to. That's how the pen got broken in half.
And Carl was doing all the shooting. That's right.
So, drum roll, niggas.
Hey, James, you can't come on this side because I don't want to miss and hit.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna touch
the
it.
window.
There ain't no window right there.
It ain't gonna break it.
Ed's window?
Yeah.
Ask somebody to order that pizza.
Nigga, if you missing hit Ed's window. I wish we had two cameras so I can.
Fully auto.
Stop moving, Chris.
So I can videotape.
Fully auto.
Carl, shoot.
Oh!
That's butter right there.